Welcome to Senieer. Hope you are doing well. This is Alex. I'm working at Senieer as a trade manager. Today our topic is about drawing to PDF in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, open the drawing. Second, as you can see an icon on the left of your screen, you can press that icon, then press the print button, and then at the last step you can press the plot, or you can press Ctrl plus P, so the print menu will show up. In this section, the DWG to PDF training, you need to play with 7 steps as you can see on the screen. At the step 1, after command, this dialog box will appear now. Press the button on the screen you show. Step 1, after command, this dialog box will appear now. Press this button you showed on the red border. Now if you press this button in the dialog box, you choose to DWG to PDF. On the step 2, after that you need to open this dialog box. If you need to color PDF or DWG or black and white PDF, you can choose by yourself. If you choose this one showed up in your screen at the red border, you can get the colorful PDF. Or if you choose this one like CAD or monochrome, you can get the DWG or black and white PDF. After that you need to save the changes, so you can move to the step 3. On step 3 you need to set the page. Then change the page size, search for ISO full bleed A4 2972-210. As you can see on the red mark we already showed, so click this option. On the step 4 and step 5 you need to put your drawing in the center of the page, or if you need to choose the drawing, landscape or portrait mode, you can choose by yourself or choose according to your drawing. Now we are on step 6. In this step we can show the menu like plot area. In this plot area you need to choose the window from the menu. After that click any side the drawing and drag the cursor left to right or up to down according to your drawing, or select the drawing you want to make PDF. On the last step, now we are on step 7. In this step we need to check our work is okay or not, so we need to go to print preview page so we can show the preview. Now close the preview and save the document. Now save the document according to your name you wanna save. So that's all for today. See you in the next video.